What is the best Twitch emote services? If you need to get emotes done for your channel in this video, I got you covered. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild coming at you for my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. One of the questions I get asked all the time on Twitch is, where are some of the best places to get emotes made? Maybe you're a brand new affiliate and you need to get ones done ASAP, or perhaps you're a partner that unlocked more slots and you want to refine or add more to your community. Well, there are 5 awesome spots that I narrowed down. They're going to help all of you out there. Now, please take into consideration, if you haven't had the chance to look at the rules and regulations of emotes, I will put a link in the description below of what Twitch allows and doesn't allow. Make sure you go over that before you consider hiring anyone to do your emote services for you. And if you're not sure what makes a great emote, make sure you check out the video that I did previous to this on what makes a good Twitch emote. Put it up in the card and I'll put it in the link in the description below. Make sure you check it out after you watch this video in its entirety. And I also have a secret surprise at the very end, so stay tuned for that. Location number 1 is really easy. Actually, it's just Twitch's main page for their creative or art section for all of their creative digital artists that are on Twitch. If you go under creative, which has been newly renamed to the art section, from there you can find hundreds of digital artists. And you know what? Most of them do commission work and most of them are willing to do emotes. All you gotta do is find an artist that resonates with you and your brand, or you like their style. Click on their channel, scroll down to their panels, and you will most likely see a commission tab or an emote commission tab. From there, it'll give you a few examples, it'll let you know the price, and most likely you'll click on a link that'll take you to like a Google Doc, or you email them and they'll let you know what you can do. And this is a great way to find other artists that can be awesome for you to play and collab with on making awesome emote commissions for you. And the nice thing about this is you're also helping out another artist on Twitch that is trying to reach their goals and dreams. So it's an awesome little kicker. Now, since we're on the subject of helping out Twitch artists on Twitch, I bet a lot of you didn't know that Twitch has a Reddit. And I bet a lot of you didn't even know even more beyond that, that Twitch has a Reddit thread for Twitch Creative. And a lot of people post their artwork here. But the thing that you want to pay attention to is a lot of Twitch emote artists will post commissions or hiring sections, or they'll let you know what kind of packages that they give out. And it ranges all from different prices and styles out there. But a lot of people can go out there and create a thread or a post and say, hey, I'm looking for an artist that can do X, Y, and Z. Or there might be somebody that has a post up there that you can look at and see what prices they charge, the availability of when they can get the emotes done, or their prices and everything in between. But this is a great resource that a lot of people don't even know about. And do me a favor, make sure you follow this thread, because there's a lot of great information that I find about growing my channel here that is less saturated and less convoluted, because it's more refined, because there's actually less people here. So Twitch Creative Reddit thread, Twitch Creative Reddit thread section is an awesome spot to go to. The next suggestion I'm going to give that you can find great emotes from is, if there's a streamer out there that you truly enjoy watching and they have awesome emotes, don't be afraid to reach out to them and ask where they got their emotes done. If they made their own, ask them if they do commissions. If they say they got them done through a service, ask them what that service is. They can send you a link. If they got them done from another fellow artist or a commission or anything else like that, ask them if you can have the link or contact to reach out to that person. You'd be surprised at how much other people on Twitch are willing to help you grow. So don't be afraid to ask people where they got their emotes done. The next location that I'm going to recommend for emote services is Fiverr. Fiverr is a great service. I'll put a link in the description below so that way you guys can get to it. But there are hundreds of thousands of artists on Fiverr that you can either post up for a commission saying I want this, or you can look at everybody's kind of like bio and what they can do and see what prices they charge. But as Twitch has got more popular and more well known, there are actually more Twitch graphic artists on Fiverr, and their prices are very, very reasonable, and they generally get everything done within the estimation of time. So if you're not really sure if you want to reach out to other Twitch artists on Twitch or the Reddit thread, Fiverr is a great place. Plus, It also has Fiverr as being the median of the business in the middle, so everything's kind of held as an escrow account. So in case you're worried about somebody screwing you over, Fiverr always has your back. Location number 5 that I recommend getting your emote services done from is a company that I'm affiliated with that I highly recommend, and it's called Flaircom. They have a Digiflare section that you can click on that does digital services for Twitch, emote services, or even graphic packages. I will put a link in the description below so you can click through and see all the different emote services that they do, or graphics package, or channel packages overlays that you can do for your channel. They even do demonstrations that you can pay for to see what your emote would look like if you're not even sure. This makes a great service for all of you out there if you want to play around with what different styles you may want to do. If you're like me, I'm kind of a visual person, and it's nice that I can do just an example to see what it would be for a couple of bucks. So Flairdash.com is also an awesome option to try if you're just starting out. Now, a lot of people always ask me, well, where did I get my emotes done? And I got mine done through a couple of friends that I made on Twitch itself that are graphic artists that streamed under the creative and art section that I met through other friends, and I kind of just commissioned them, and I love their art style. One of my friends is Kelvers, who does a lot of the graphics that you see on here of all my Wild for Games emotes and all the different designs and graphics that you see here. And my other friend, Seraphine, does a lot of emotes for all of my other friends, and she does awesome commission work. They do great consistency, they do great work, they do very fair prices. So I like to promote those two people on this channel right here. I'll put a link in the description below of what you can see. Kelvers has more of like an anime manga style, while Seraphine has more of like a professional art style with all these big, bold, contrasting colors. Both are awesome. I love them all. Link in the description below, and I will post to where you can see them at. And if you do reach out to them, let them know Wild for Games sent you. It'll put a nice smile on their face. There are a couple other bro notes I want to bring to your attention out there if you guys are going to use emote services. Number 1 is really think about the content that you're going to put into your emote. I know from my own personal experiences, I'm a mature streamer. I'm a little bit of a lewd streamer. I like to have fun on my stream. So my emotes, they're a little bit lewd and crude. I have fun with them. But making mine a little bit lewd and crude and fun and outreaching and more mature, guess what? My emotes have been rejected a whopping 6 to 10 times on different versions. So if you're gonna pay someone to do your emote, they technically may not have negotiated to do refinements or redos for you. So think about your content, because you may be paying them multiple times to make refinements if it gets rejected from Twitch. And if you're not sure what content is allowed or approved, like I said in the beginning of the video, I will put a link in the description below of what Twitch allows and what they don't allow on their platform. So make sure you check that out. Point number 2 is a little more serious. Look, there's two parties here. One's paying for the work and one is doing the work. So you have to make sure that both people are treated fairly. When you do commission work and you're paying for it, never pay somebody all the way up front, because if they don't deliver, your funds could be lost. I always recommend doing a PayPal transaction, because that's easier to call back if there's anything that's done a little bit funky in there of somebody you don't believe or trust. I always pay somebody 50% up front to get the work done, and then 50% after completion. And people generally agree with this because it shows in good faith you're willing to put the money up front, and it shows that they have to complete the work in the time frame that you wanted it done at. And when they do hit that time frame, or if they negotiate for more time because, you know, life happens and things get pushed back, that you agree to that. And when they complete the work and send you the files that the way that you want, all the different styles, file sizes, maybe PNG styles with the transparent backgrounds, all that and more, then you submit the last 50%. I am always a little bit weary if somebody wants all the funds straight up front, or no funds at all, because you may never get the work. I'm gonna do 2 custom emote giveaways for 2 lucky winners out there on this YouTube channel. Now there's gonna be some rules and regulations, like you have to be a follower of this channel, you have to follow me on Twitch and Twitter, and a few other rules and regulations so I can make the contest giveaway fair for everybody. But I will describe all of this in my next video that will be following out after this video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and we'll go over all of that. But if you would like to win an emote commission from me for a personal emote for your own Twitch channel, or maybe Mixer or even YouTube, it doesn't matter who you are out there, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and pay attention for the next video that's gonna launch for all of you wonderful people out there. Emotes are really fun, and therefore you should have a lot of fun for them. Don't rush the process. Take time. Think what will make your emotes have your personal brand, your personal flair, and make them unique. So take time to really consider what's gonna make an awesome emote. And when you're ready, then reach out to all these awesome services. And when you do, let me know which one you use. If you guys like these type of videos and you wanna help me out, or if you know a better service or one that I left off of this list, do me a favor and leave a comment below and let me know what service you recommend for all the community members out there. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you want to keep up with me and this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And you can also follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram to see all the lovely artwork and Twitch videos that I post for all of you beautiful people out there. And if you want to go above and beyond and be a true bro or a bae, you can follow me on Twitch under twitch.tv/wildforgames, where you can hit that follow button or go above and beyond and hit that sub button. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will be back real soon with my next stream support video coming up real quick. Take care all. Peace.